Welcome to this channel. Once again, my name is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Aid Drops. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add a username to your Telegram account. Why do you need a username? Sometimes, if you do not have a username, you are missing out on certain functionality, certain benefits. For example, the current airdrops that are ongoing, some persons missed out participating in dogs. And by the time dogs launched and it was listed, they started regretting. But you traced their problem to just username because they didn't have username on their Telegram account. Each time they tried to launch the app, it will be asking, "Who are you, dog?" or something like that. So if you set your username, it is easier for you to participate in these free airdrops. And sometimes too, if you are participating in some programs on Telegram, the person who referred you will be able to see you directly under his downline and monitor you properly. But when there are several unnamed persons, you won't even know who is who. So that is part of the reason why you need to set your username. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this button, to this channel, quickly hit the subscribe button so that each time we publish new videos, you will be notified. All right, thank you for taking that action. Let's go ahead with our video. Okay, now the first thing you do if you want to add a username to your account is to come to this area and click those three lines. Okay, having clicked it, you will now come to this area that says settings. Open up the settings, and it's quite simple. It doesn't even require so much step. You see here, sorry. You see this place, it says Efogojos username, which is different from this. This one is my name, Efogo Joseph Eze. Why this is my username? But how do you set it? It's simple. Just click on it. Do you see that? So if I hit the back button now, or whatever, the cancel button, the username is no longer there. And if I go ahead and mark this, it means I will not have a username. But now that I haven't marked it, or if I came here without a username, the simple thing I will do is to hit there again and type in my username, F4 just. Okay, it's saying the username is available. So I simply, after that, I just go ahead and mark it. So the username is set. Okay, so that is it. It is not hard. So instead of you missing out of key or on key things, try as much as possible to quickly set your usernames, and then you are done. Thank you for your time. If you find this video helpful, remember to share it with your friend, like it, and leave a comment. God bless you. See you in our next video.